Hi, my name is Abrielle, and I'm an Associate Solutions Engineer here at OPSWAT, and today I will be guiding you through how to activate and update your MetaDefender Drive digital display using MetaDefender Drive Toolkit. Drive Toolkit is a software application to manage MetaDefender Drive. The Toolkit is your one-stop shop for configuring, activating, and updating your Drive version, license, and engines, ensuring your Drive always operates properly. First, you need to get the latest Drive Toolkit version. You can either download it from the MetaDefender Drive page on OPSWAT's official website or on the MetaDefender Drive document download page under the Release Notes tab. Once downloaded, find the zip Drive Toolkit file, usually in your Downloads folder, right-click on it and select Extract All. Choose the destination folder and extract the files. Now, we need to launch the toolkit under Administrator Privileges. The Drive Toolkit dashboard shows Drive version, license, and engine license status. Within the MetaDefender Drive Toolkit, click on Advanced Options, and then select Drive Version Management. Click on Download the latest update version, and wait for the download to complete. You'll see a message, "You are up to date" when finished. Now let's plug in your MetaDefender Drive into the device's USB Type-A port. When it's connected, on the left side menu, choose Create Drives to add your MetaDefender Drive to the toolkit. Choose the USB drives option and click on Confirm and Process. But what if Toolkit cannot recognize the drive and nothing is found in the drives option? No worries, just follow these troubleshooting steps. On Windows, open Disk Management and look for your external drive in the list of drives. Then you'll need to ensure the drive is formatted with the NTFS file system, and try replugging it. Toolkit should recognize it. Now you can begin flashing and activating it. Go to the Activation section in the Toolkit and select License to manage and activate any necessary licenses. We recommend updating the scanning engines to their latest versions. Within the Toolkit, proceed to the Engine section and initiate the Check for Updates process. The update may take a few minutes to complete. Finally, still in the Engines section, select Copy Engines to Drives to transfer the latest engine versions to your USB drive. And that's it. You've successfully updated your MetaDefender Drive digital display. Remember to check for updates regularly to maintain optimal protection. If you have any questions, refer to OPSWAT's resources or contact their support team. Thanks for watching.